Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Janet. Today I'm here with my Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing. Yes, bought one again this year because I'm a freaking sucker and I just love a mystery bag. I can't help it. It arrived today and I'm so excited. I have seen a lot of unboxings and I'm not excited about any of them. So I don't know why I'm excited, but maybe mine will be different, you know? If you're unfamiliar with the Lucky Bag, with the Beautylish Lucky Bags, this is something they do once a year. You can purchase the day after Christmas and it's valued at least $150. This is the regular bag. There's an XL size, which is valued at $300. I never look at the other ones because I don't really care, but this is the one that I got. Let's cut the tape and see what is in here. Mine was packed by Francesca. It is wrapped. They always have a beautiful wrapping. It says, for 2026, we gathered a collection of good luck charms, each one a sign that luck can find you anywhere. We hope the surprises inside remind you that good things are already on their way. And usually there's an artist attached to it. I don't see that on here. Let's see what's in here. So it is wrapped and then everything is always bundled in bubble wrap. So I'm just gonna stick my hand in and blindly pull things out. Right. The first thing is the Jupiter Dry Scalp Care Hydrating Shampoo. And I will put the price of everything on the screen and then the value of the box at the end. I'm filming on my phone and that's how I would look these up. I have never used this, but my daughter has an extremely dry scalp. So I think this would be really great for her, and she's almost out of the shampoo that she's currently using anyway. It smells good. It smells fresh, so that's fine. And I think the Jupiter brand is not a cheap brand. I'm guessing this is like $30. Next we have a brush. This is a Wayne Goss brush. They're usually Sonia G brushes or Wayne Goss brushes. They're both lovely. I prefer the Wayne Goss brushes just because they have darker bristles and I don't like white bristled brushes because I feel like they just look dirty no matter how much you clean them. And this is a really interesting, look cute, like pencil brush, and it's number 11 and it feels very soft and like it will be a nice quality. I have no clue how much this is. Again, it will be on the screen. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is something from Chantecaille, which I've never tried anything from that brand because it is expensive. This is the Mermaid Eye Shade in the color Starfish. I mean, is it purple because of the box? Oh, no, it's not. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so little. This is probably like $40 or something. Chantecaille is so expensive. Oh, that's pretty though. A potted, my daughter is running around with the dog downstairs. If you hear yelling, it's her. That's really pretty. Lovely. It feels very creamy, blendable. I don't know that I've seen anyone get a Chantecaille. I haven't. Listen, I've looked at a lot of pictures. I've not watched a lot of videos yet. So maybe this is a very common thing in this box, but that's exciting. Okay, I do feel a palette. I feel like it's a Natasha Denona palette, which I know most people are excited about. I just don't care about Natasha Denona palettes, so that's okay. All right, but this is the Sashu Peel Off Lip Liner Stain. I have several of these because I occasionally get PR from them, but this is actually a color that I don't have. This is Burnt Red. Very pretty color. Let me open you. Where's my name? I don't really know that you'll be able to see a swatch of the color very well. I do like these. This isn't a product that I remember to use very often because I'm super lazy, but this burnt orange color, I feel, you can see that on the like box lid. I feel like I would really enjoy that. So I'm okay with having that color. All right, there's two more things in here. feels rich. Oh, okay. Oh, you always get something from Good Molecules. Good Molecules started as a Beautylish exclusive, and now they're a lot of places. I really enjoy everything I've tried from Good Molecules, so I'm always fine with getting more of it. And this is a whole little kit of Snow Globe minis. So we have the hyaluronic acid serum, discoloration correcting serum, niacinamide serum, and the lightweight daily moisturizer. Okay. But these will actually last you a good amount of time because they're serums. The moisturizer will probably get used the fastest, but I always love a skincare mini. All right, and then the last thing, let's see what palette is. I feel like it's a Natasha Denona palette. It's probably the Xenon palette, because that's what I don't want. Yeah. It's like I forget that I'm gonna get a Natasha Denona palette every year. I think this is the 3rd or 4th palette that I've gotten. I've passed them on to everyone. I don't care for the Natasha Denona formula at all. I was hoping for a Viseart palette, honestly. I think the packaging is pretty, of course. This is all grays and blacks and silvers, which I'm not even opposed to. I just don't need like this many of them, and I know I don't like the Natasha Denona formula, so I'm not gonna touch that. I'll see if I can trade that with someone. No big deal, because every year I say I'm not gonna get a lucky bag this year. I don't need it, and then I see the email like sign up for early access. I'm like, dang it, I really want one. I just love a mystery bag. I will use all of these things. I feel pretty confident I can trade this with someone. No big deal. I am very curious to see how this works for my daughter because, like I said, she has a very dry scalp. I'm always looking for hydrating shampoos for her. I'm pretty excited to have something from Chantecaille. I've never tried anything from this brand. This is a beautiful color lip stain. I like this type of product and I know how to use it. I always love an eyeshadow brush. And this is a style that I don't have a lot of. And skincare minis from a brand I know I enjoy. So overall, this isn't an extra lucky bag. That is another thing that they do is some bags are extra lucky. Like a regular lucky bag might be valued at $300 instead of $150. This is definitely not that bag, but it's okay. So if you got a lucky bag, please let me know what you got in yours. And thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.